Imagine your own private retreat 30 minutes from downtown Nashville in this lovely town of Pleasant View, Tennessee. I'm at my latest listing. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home on over an acre in an established neighborhood with this beautiful pool and these beautiful views. Pleasant View, Tennessee strikes the beautiful balance of back roads and convenience to the big city so many are seeking these days. Stay tuned until the end of this video. I want to show you around the adjoining park. Pleasant View is a small town north of Nashville offering many local restaurants, all of the care providers you could need, as well as has developed its village, which is basically the downtown. Pleasant View offers a seasonal farmers market, parades, and community events such as car shows and an Easter egg hunt. If you are looking for a small town feel, a town full of back roads, and a 30-minute commute to Nashville, you have found it. Now, let's head over to the back of the Westridge subdivision and check out the house. We're here on the front porch of this beautiful all-brick home. You're going to love this front porch. It is so expansive, plenty of room for all of your friends and family together. Now let's head inside and take a look around. You will love the layout of this meticulously maintained home with over 2,500 square feet of living space with 3 beds, 3 baths, and a huge bonus room. Now I'm only giving you a sneak peek inside. You should definitely set up a showing and come fall in love with it firsthand. The outdoor spaces this home offers are second to none. There's this beautiful screened-in back porch where you can enjoy the birds. In addition to your attached 2-car garage, this generous detached 2-car garage will fit all of your toys, all of this on over an acre level lot that adjoins the community park, offering a playground, basketball courts, a beautiful wooded walking trail, over a half-mile of a paved walking trail loop, and it is also the hub for all of the community soccer you could ever want. So if you're ready to be away from it all, yet close to everything, consider Pleasant View, Tennessee. Reach out to me. I would be happy to give you a private tour of this lovely home. And if you like videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you at my next listing.